If you're ever hoping for an overlap between cute overload and brain research, and let's face it, who wasn't, your time has come. A Japanese team wanted to see how learning to use tools could change animals' brains, so they taught Chilean rodents called Degus how to use tiny rakes to pull food through a barrier. The scientific jargon's a little complicated, so I'll paraphrase.
Who's a smarty? Who's look at the little Degu? Get it? Get the food? Yeah, who's a smart Degu? You're a smart Degu.
Sorry, had to get that out of the way. The Degus are the first rodents ever to be trained to use tools. Granted, that's not necessarily special since there are plenty of other animals who can do the same thing, but the idea is that if even primitive mammals like Degus can be trained to use tools, tool using might just be a latent ability in mammals in general, including our early ancestors. After all, it's not like we just woke up one morning with it all figured out.
Won't Get Fooled Again could be the new theme song for the World Anti-Doping Agency. They're mounting the largest screening program ever in advance of the Beijing Olympics. With good reason. One small problem, though. A Swedish research team has found that the current way of testing for excess testosterone levels is less than bulletproof. Basically, if you don't have a particular gene, you might pass the test, even if you've been doping. So, will rogue Olympians be able to exploit this loophole in Beijing? Maybe. Now that this flaw is exposed, athletes who are already doping could just ask their trainers to administer the test in advance. And if it's negative, it's likely they've got a free pass coded right into their DNA. Talk about being born with a competitive edge.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give.
Yeah, okay, it fits in an envelope. Whoop-de-doo! But can it predict earthquakes? Actually, it might. Many laptops today have built-in accelerometers, which basically measure sudden motion in a particular direction, and have all kinds of fun applications. Now, some researchers at the University of California want to network thousands of these PCs together to create a giant distributed seismograph. It sounds kind of sci-fi, but the proof of concept already exists. You can download software that'll turn your PC into an individual earthquake detector, and networked consumer gadgets are already helping scientists hunt for ETs and model proteins. The California researchers just decided to combine those two ideas. But they're just getting started, and they have to make sure that their servers don't mistake some klutzy blogger for something that belongs on the Richter scale. Ouch. Better call IT.
It comes from the sewers, smells like rotten eggs, and may have wiped out nearly all life on Earth back in the day. But you know what they say, never judge a molecular compound by its incredibly lethal properties. Researchers at Massachusetts General Hospital found that breathing in small doses of hydrogen sulfide gas can induce suspended animation in lab mice. Heart rate drops by half and body temperature goes down, but blood oxygen levels stay the same. Similar results were found in previous research done in 2005, and basically the mouse goes into sleep mode, like this. And it's completely reversible. The researchers hope it might have similar effects on humans, which in theory could prove useful in certain time-critical situations. I don't know, it's going to take one hell of a clinical trial to break that mass extinction association.